Thank you, Mr. Sai, for the nice intro. I'll just start with a small prayer in Tamil. I hope it does form. மனதில் உறுதி வேண்டும், வாக்கினிலே இனிமை வேண்டும், நினைவு நல்லது வேண்டும், நெருங்கின பொருள் கைப்பட வேண்டும், கனவு மெய்ப்பட வேண்டும், கை வசமாவது விரைவில் வேண்டும், தனமும் இன்பமும் வேண்டும், தரணியிலே பெருமை வேண்டும், கண் திறந்திட வேண்டும், காரியத்தில் உறுதி வேண்டும், பெண் விடுதலை வேண்டும், பெரிய கடவுள் காக்க வேண்டும், மண் பயனுற வேண்டும், வானகம் இங்கு தென்பட வேண்டும், உண்மை நின்றிட வேண்டும். மகாகவி பாரதியார். Vanakkam. Pranams to our beloved master. Good evening, respected educators. Role of technology in education. Before I dive into the topic, how online teaching has transformed us. It has transformed all of us dramatically, and also the entire globe. Every single person, one way or the other, has association with the children. It could be anyone, the form of a sibling, it could be a child, a parent, any form. We have association with the children, and the whole world talks about the online teaching, online education every moment. So at this juncture, I would express the gratitude to all the stakeholders of education sector who are offering free access to their services, free online courses, and more support for educating our young adults. My focus and concern in this talk will generally be around online teaching and technology. So sharing most of the common experiences which my previous speakers have spoken and all of you might have. So first of all, online teaching. So online teaching is basically, we know that it's a process of educating others by internet. So various methods are employed for us doing the online teaching, like how all the teachers around the world do it. So one of my question, which very, very nicely phrased, how can values be taught using technology? Yes, many organizations, institutions have value education, moral education, life skills in their curriculum as a core scholastic program. So we know the value vary from person to person. It's a fundamental belief. The value which I have, it's a personal value, differs from other individual. As a teacher, I have certain value that will be the professional value. As a human being, I think that I should never do that. That is the moral or ethical value. As a person belonging to a particular tribe, a particular community, I will never do certain things. That is a cultural value, extrinsic values, intrinsic values, and it goes on. So what is the basic thing here is I need to make the child understand and make the child aware of values. So how can you do that? Okay, first of all, the first thing is self-awareness. So building his self-esteem, making him confident. That is the basic thing. I will do it. So technology will really help us meet the objective. How we are able to do that is because of the simple appreciation. Okay, that's really a magic which is doing driving everything. For example, one message putting in the in our social handles, Instagram, with the Facebook page, with the official ones, and also with the WhatsApp group, with the student group, where we do things and it making really, really wonderful things. And really the students are wanted to do more. They wanted to do something different. Okay, that I would like to say all educators here are very, very excellent influencers. And we have a very, very big role and responsibility. So as we see the preamble of our Indian constitution, it actually says the people of India, we have solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic. So here itself we have to secure all its citizens. Here itself we have all the fundamental values here. For example, justice for all. Maybe recently every country is taking some initiatives to give the learning to the entire children of the country. So it is no discrimination here. That's justice for all. Similarly, if you take the liberty of thought, feelings or expression. So here you could say in the case of the online education, what happens is the children have more opportunity to express their views immediately, instantly, and the teacher can do it and give the feedback immediately. That's one thing. Equality. So we have equal opportunities of the status to be done. Every child is get the same kind of input which is being aired in the television channels or so many ways in which the institution or the government is giving. So now I just wanted to share something here. I just wanted to share few of our work. I don't know whether it can fit in the chat window. I'll just try to do that 1 minute. Yeah. So these are some of the activities which we have done. That too, especially during this. Yeah, it has come. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah. So these are a few of the activities which we have done, and I've shared some of the links with you. I've really wondered like how we are able to make it, that too within the past 3 months. From mid of June we started. We were 3 to 4 months we were able to do it. Yeah, fine. So coming to the next one, I would like to emphasize on one important thing. Technology is enabling an inclusive education. So that we need to understand that with so many values and analyses, belief system, maintaining the friendships, peer learning, and communication, which has been enhanced. Okay, so that's really, the real thing is that it is enhancing a real equitable education, I could say. And moreover, technology is very important. That's what I was telling about how we are helping the value education here. The first thing I would add on is the aesthetic values. So what happens is the child is, the student is, has so much of volumes of information on the internet. So they can go through that. And after that, their creativity is enhanced so that they come with more ideas and more solutions for giving the sense, giving the presentation. So aesthetic values are increased. And similarly, even the sensitive topics which the child feels difficult to answer the teacher, that also could be done and learned effectively through videos and animations forms, and that somehow helps the child. And finally, I want to tell you something very important is about the traditional and moral and ethical values, which has been forgotten, could be reviewed through this audio and video forms. For example, I will just tell a Pame. So Pame is a small poem in my mother tongue. So I'm just going to read the Pame for you. So I have shared one of the link here, so you could just find it out. What is the meaning of that? It is, it goes like that. Ondu ombatu agili, ondu savira agili, harsava kodili, swagava kodili, banda hechili, baduku hechili, be hechili, halu hechili, hannu hechili, mane katti maru kattili, ondu mane savira mani agili, benne bettu agili, tuppa teppa agili, hulla muttila hoo agili, kalla muttila kaal agili, onna muttila sinna agili, dettadu bandaleyu, beruluga adingili, attadadu bandaleyu, aange adingili. ಕಟ್ಟಿದದು ಕರೆಯಲಿ, ಬಿತ್ತಿದದು ಬೇಯಲಿ, ಆಣೆಯ ಬಡವ ಕೊಡಲಿ, ಅರಿಯ ಸಿರಿಯ ಕೊಡಲಿ, ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಬೆವರವ ಕೊಡಲಿ. So this is a nice, interesting poem about the blessings. So these are something very important which been transferred from generation over generations. But what actually happens is, Charan sir, is everything fine?
Yeah. You can go ahead.
Yeah. So what I was telling is like, it was being passed on from generation to generations, orally. So what I would say, these kind of important values for every single community, so it should be there, right? So only because of the technology, we were able to see. I don't know whether the future kids, the future generations will be able to keep up all these things. Okay, fine. So finally, I would like to say technology is no less, yet we need a human touch for excellence. So human touch is very, very important for all of us. And value education is need of the heart than any time before. So I would say that. So first, we all have to step out of our digital screens, not the mental screens. Okay, so that's something very important here, where the educators are playing a very, very important role in guiding the students in emotional way, or talking to them, binding much of relationship with them so that they are comfortable at and being resilient. All these things are very, very important now. Okay, so coming to the next one, I see August gathering here who are listening. There are a lot of people who are very, very resourceful, inquisitive. You are very motivational, and you are strongest communicators and your problem solvers. Ultimately, you are the life skill and the value educators.